In this segment, we'll cover support and component replacement. The Atlas S8 Plus comes with a standard 3-year warranty. This includes the chassis and drives. You can access the warranty policy by going to promise.com and clicking Support, Services and Warranties, Atlas Series Warranty Policy. To receive support, you'll first have to register your product. You'll need your serial number located on the back of the Atlas unit. Once you have it, go to support.promise.com. Sign into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Now complete the registration process from there. Before contacting support, we strongly recommend that you download a copy of your system diagnostic report and the system log. They include crucial information that can help us find the root cause of the problem. To generate a report, log in to the Atlas Storage Manager. Select the control panel, go to General Settings located under System, then select Maintenance. From here, click on the Import/Export tab. At the bottom of this window, you'll see an Export button under the Export System Diagnostic Report. Click there. It could take up to 1 minute to generate the report, depending on how full the log is. It'll automatically save the file to your downloads. Next, go into the Log section. Select System Log and click on the Download All button. It too will automatically save to your downloads. From here, go back to support.promise.com, where you can sign into your account and submit a web support ticket. Click Open New Support Case from the Web Support drop-down menu. Fill out the form accordingly and attach the diagnostic and system log as seen here. Click Submit. You can also call us Monday through Friday during normal business hours. If you need 24/7 support, there are support upgrades available for purchase. Please contact Promise Technical Support for more information. In rare cases, tech support may determine that you need to replace a component. If so, you will be instructed to provide your ticket number and additional information to complete an RMA using the CRM system. As you can see here, drive replacement is easy. You can swap it out yourself using one of the drive keys provided. On behalf of everyone at Promise Technology, thank you for your business and for watching the Atlas Level 1 training videos. For more information, please visit promise.com. Promise, leaders in storage solutions.